how to create and use Galaxy avatar on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to customize and personalize your user experience and maybe create a sticker which would be you, maybe in some cool clothes and so on, for that you can use Galaxy avatar. I'm going to show you how you can customize it, enable and use. Let's get started. Firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to swipe up for your app drawer and just search for the Galaxy avatar. If you cannot find it for some reason, then also you can go ahead and open the messages. Then tap on chat with any person and click this little smiley face to open up the emojis. And on the top, just choose the Galaxy sticker and tap option create stickers. But I'm gonna use this first option, Galaxy avatar. Let's open it up. And now I'm just gonna, this is my current avatar, I'm gonna delete it. Great. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the plus to create new avatars. So tap on that. And you can start with this avatar, for example. You can also just swipe through the options and then customize it further. Or if you would like more personalized experience, you can create it using the camera or maybe generate from your image. Let's tap on camera. And I'm gonna point the camera to myself. Tap on the camera shutter button. And now the avatar should be created, so just tap on the body you would like to add and tap next. And now it is creating avatars, so we are just waiting. And this is my result. You can customize it a bit, for example, change the hair color. I guess mine is like that. Also, you can change the style of your hair, just anything you want to here. As you can see, there are many different options. Let's use this one. Then you can continue tapping on the little icons on the bottom if you need, so you can add mustache. You can also change the form of your head as well as change your skin tone. So just tap here. Also, you can change your forehead. You can also change your chin, add some wrinkles. Now you can add blush, so you can add some makeup. Also, maybe face paint if you need to. You can add some freckles, let's add them. Moles. Now let's tap on brows. So I want to make them a little bit lighter like that, so I'm gonna tap those colors. And additionally, you can change the shape, of course. There are many different options. Now let's go ahead and change my color of my eyes. So I'm gonna tap on this blue. And of course, you can change shape of your eyes as well as depth. And you can change eyelids. Now you can tap here and add some mascara. I'm gonna click on this option. But there are many different you can use, as well as change the color of your eyelashes. Now if you need to, you can customize your nose and nose shape and nose size. Now go ahead and do the same for your mouth. If you need to, you can change lipstick. Let's just take a look what we got here. Maybe this one. Yeah, let's do this one. Now, if you need to, you can change your ear shape, position, and then go ahead and customize your legs and arms. Now, we can switch from looks to style on the bottom of the screen and make your own clothes, or we can use any available option we got here. So as you can see, some of them are free and some of them are not, so just tap on the free options, and also you can customize the color if needed, just like that. Or you can additionally customize the tops and bottoms. So you can click here and just change it as you wish. Of course, add some socks if you need to. Also, you can change your boots and so on, gloves, watch, and many different options we got here, as well as for hats. Let's maybe add some glasses. No, I'm gonna remove them. Now you can also add earrings. You can here customize it and add some masks. And now when you're done, you just need to tap save in the top right. And this avatar will be saved as your personal Galaxy avatar. So each time you want to send it, you can just go in a chat with any person, tap on Galaxy avatar from this top menu above the keyboard with the blue color in it. And now you can choose any option from the list and of course send it by tapping here, and this is how it will look. Also, you can go ahead and open your contacts app and you can set this Galaxy avatar as your profile card maybe, or you can set it to any different person. I'm gonna click edit, tap create profile card. And here you will see this option, maybe tap on the icon. Yeah, tap on the icon and tap Galaxy Avatar, and you'll be able to choose it, just like that. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.